It's been 2 months. She received this gift, or received the purchase, when she bought her laptop. This Studio Wireless 3. It's very difficult to open. There is trouble.
You're making me nervous. Oh.
There is less trouble. How do you feel?
I feel okay.
That's good. Continue with unboxing. Ooh, it looks like a gold bar. What does it say on top?
Change the way you hear sound.
Oh. What?
It's really small.
Beats. That's good. It's compact. How big is the case?
Size of my hand.
How big is your hand?
It's smaller than your hand.
Yes, I would think so. Oh, okay. They look nice. Very nice. Oh. It's gold and black.
Yes.
What does it say? Is there any other things inside? Oh, what's inside?
There is, I guess, instructions.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
What does the instructions say?
iOS 11. Oh,
Okay.
this is to sync to your phone.
Nice.
There's a Beats sticker
Okay. Where are you gonna put that sticker?
on my suitcase.
Oh, okay.
I've been collecting.
Oh, right.
And this is important safety information
Okay.
and limited warranty.
Nice.
There is, I think it's the charging cable.
Okay. What type of charging cable is it?
Micro, no, the one that's for Android.
Okay. I think
There
it's a Type C, I would think.
Oh,
What
more
is that?
cable. Oh, I guess if you want to do wired,
Oh, like an audio jack?
yes. And you get a little clip.
What is this clip used for?
I think it's
Oh.
for the carrying case.
Oh. What's interesting is I have Sony's.
Here.
And was it the MX 1000?
See?
Yeah.
And you can clip it onto your backpack.
Oh, nice. Well, the Sony comes with an audio jack for the plane also too. And we actually use these for the plane quite often.
Oh yeah. Okay, plug it in.
Oh, okay. And
And that's it.
oh, okay. Well, here it is. Here's the box.
Here's the box.
And I think that's it. Just a quick unboxing of a Bose. No, sorry. What is this?
Beats.
Beats. There you go. Beats Studio 3 Wireless. Thanks. Have a nice day, you guys.